Volkswagen Amarok in stock, 2025 on a 75 registration. This is the 3-litre Panamericana MASV Black Edition. So delivery mileage, colour's called Midnight Black Metallic, and it's got our full styling pack. So that consists of a 6-piece smooth wide arch kit, colour-coded in gloss black. We've got 20-inch satin multi-spoke alloy wheels on a Renegade Radar all-terrain tyre. Fully de-chromed, everything gloss black. We've got upgraded bonnet vents, top tint on the windscreen, MASV bonnet badging, full gloss black grills, black VW badging, front nudge bar. All the lower H section of the bumper here has all been painted in high gloss black. And the Panamericana is a great model on the Amarok. We've got the IQ LED headlamps. We've got gloss black roof rails, 360-degree cameras, window deflectors, black side steps, gloss black door handles, keyless entry, blind spot assist on the mirrors there. We've got the Panamericana graphic down the side, and the MASV logo also. So satin black rear roll bar, we've got front and rear mud flaps, 5-piece load line has been fitted, got a plug socket in the back, lashing points, smoked tail lights, gloss black rear bumper, and the VW emblem in the middle. We've also got the V6 badging all done gloss black. Looks fantastic in the midnight black. We've had a lot in black, it always looks well. Rear limo tint privacy glass. So I'll just show you inside. Panamericana has the black and cricket coloured leather with the cricket stitching. It's this really nice tan colour on the armrest and the tops of the seats and on the door cards. You can see there we've got ambient lighting in the door cards, multifunction steering wheel, lane keep assist, adaptive cruise control. This is a delivery mileage vehicle with 200 miles only. Factory rubber mats, 10-speed automatic. These are 240 brake horsepower pickup with a 3-litre V6 diesel engine. Wireless charging pad for your phone. We've also got lots of different driving modes. So you can be in rear wheel drive, you've got permanent 4-wheel drive, you've got high and low range, rear diff lock on the Panamericana. Large screen there, tablet screen, all the features, wireless CarPlay, Android link. We've got heated seats on the screen. We've got some more PowerPoints down there. Really top spec pickup, everything you need. Little compartment up there as well. Auto lights, push button start, power folding mirrors, electric mirrors, and in the back we've got a little drop down armrest, more power points between the seats and rubber mats in the back. So great spec, lovely colour combination, all the right bits on it. LED daytime running lights you can see there. In stock now, very hard to get hold of at the moment. These have got a 5-year warranty, 5-year service package, 5-year roadside assistance. So for 5 years, totally looked after from Volkswagen, all included with owning a new Amarok. So give me a call, 0777 111 2040. You can view this one online on www.ma-sv.co.uk. We've got a few more available as well in different colours. Be quick, they do sell fast, very hard to replace. We can arrange finance funding and we do take part exchange. Thank you for watching.